So today, you guys, my video is in response to one of our community members, and the name is LA Hair Organic. So shout out to you for asking this question. So today I want to teach you guys exactly how to use a PLR digital product in order for you to start making money. So first, just in case you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys how to use your passions, gifts, talents, education, knowledge, experience, or anything in that matter so that you're able to make money digitally. So if you do not know what a PLR is a private label right product. That means that you have the rights to resell the PLR digital product that you purchase, and you keep 100% of the profit. A PLR digital product is literally the easiest way for you to start making money and the easiest way for you to launch your digital product business. When I first started back selling digital products last year, I started with a PLR digital product, and that bundle alone was able to generate me my first 10K of me being consistent and posting about digital products. So today, you guys, I want to show you exactly how you're able to take a PLR digital product and how you're able to turn it into profit. But I want to give you the step-by-step of what to do once you have purchased your PLR digital product. So before we get into it, you guys, if you are interested in starting your own digital product and you want to get started with the same exact strategy and method that I use to generate my first 10K, you can go down below in my description as well as in my comments, and you can purchase my PLR mini course. In this course, I teach you guys step by step of what to do and how to do it so that you're able to get your digital product up and launched in 24 hours, as well as being able to generate your first 10K. In this PLR mini course, I also give you a vault full of different digital products that you can take and you can resell as your own. You're able to take these and bundle them together so that you're able to create your own digital product, or you're able to simply take it and resell them individually. So how you do it is totally up to you. So if you're interested in that, go down below in the description or in the comments so that you can grab that. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video, and let me show you guys exactly how easy it is for you to take your PLR digital products and turn it into income. All right, you guys, so once you are on my website, this is exactly what you will see. The scale to 10K with PLR launch your digital products. It is literally on sale for $37. Inside of this, you will receive 5 different modules, and you're able to choose what PLR digital products you want to get started with in module 3. So I give you a lot of different PLR products that you can choose from. Once you have that PLR product, you're able to literally walk through this course and get launched in 24 hours. So as you can see here in module 1, is the what PLR is and why it's your shortcut to success. Module 2 is how to turn your PLR into cash in just 24 hours. Module 3 is your PLR vault, which is your done for you PLR products to choose from. Module 4 is your stand start setup, like I'm showing you step by step of how to get up and launched in your stand store. Module 5 is going to be your 24-hour marketing plan for strategies for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, depending on where you want to market. Okay, you guys, so once you are inside of this mini course, here are some of the PLR digital products that you're able to choose from. You have the money management PLR, you have the real money bundle, you have the Be Productive PLR, the digital products for beginners, 200 planners, and manifest your rich life. Let's just say that you choose the real money bundle PLR. There are so many different ones that come with this. As you can see, you have the faceless content library, the faceless Instagram reels, 100 faceless Instagram reels, 1600 aesthetic reels, faceless Instagram reels, faceless business blueprint. You have the IG marketing unlock, 90 email marketing, 10-step checklist for your Instagram, and your Insta story playbook, and then emails that sell. So this, you guys, is just one bundle itself. You can take this and you can resell it individually, or you can take it and you can bundle it all together so you have a higher ticket margin. But you guys, let me tell you, once you have this, once you are inside your course and you choose exactly which one you want, what you're going to do is hit download. Once you have downloaded your PLR digital product from your course, you will see it in your files. Once you have downloaded your digital product from your course, you will see it inside of your file. So this right here is just one of the digital products. I just chose one just to show you guys, what to look forward to and how this works. So once you have downloaded it into your files on your computer, on your iPad, even on your phone, the next thing you want to do is open up Canva. If you do not have a Canva account, you can sign up with Canva, and that is free. I will also make sure that I put the link down below in the description for you guys. Canva do have a pro version as well, but the pro version is not needed unless you want to use some of the images or different fonts and different things that they do have that is only included in the pro. But you guys, Canva is literally easy to use. So once you're on Canva, you want to hit create, and you can hit upload. Once you have hit upload, you're going to hit upload file. Go in and choose that download that you just downloaded to your computer or to your iPad or your phone. Now you guys, that same PDF file that you downloaded from the actual course itself has now been re-uploaded into Canva. Now this is where you go to change it. So just say, for instance, if you get this and you're not into the color pink, the pink is not your brand color, and you just want to change the color, or you just want to change the cover page, purchase a PLR from me, I do ask that you guys change the photo so that it do look different, because you want to stand out and you want it to fit your actual brand, and you don't want something that's just generic. So I do recommend that you guys change it up so that it does fit more of your brand and more of your feel. So if you don't want to use the colors, you can just click on it, and you're gonna literally just edit this, you guys. So you're gonna go to the color. If you want to make it white, you see how easy this is. Like, this is all you're basically doing with this PLR. Like, if you want to go in and change stuff, you can literally just go into Canva and change all of this. Change the colors, you can add to it, you can take away from it. Like, you have went through and you see what the PLR is that you want to resell. The only thing you have to do is just upload it into Canva and just create the design. Change the cover photo of the first page and keep everything the same, or if you want to add to it using ChatGPT, or you can take away from it. It's up to you guys how you do it. But once you have went into Canva and you have made this look like your brand, the next thing you want to do is upload it into Stand Store. So let's just say you're okay with how this is looking, that it looks. You can just hit download, and it's going to download directly to your device so that you're able to have that updated version versus what you downloaded from my actual course. So once you are inside of your Stand Store, this is how it would look. And you just want to go into your Stand Store and you want to hit add product. You want to hit digital product right here on the right side. And for the image, I always just use like the cover photo from my digital product that I'm selling, so that it's very simple and straight to the point. You want to add the title to it. It's up to you of what it is that you titled this. You can ask ChatGPT to help you to come up with the title, or you can just choose to title it however you would like. In the subtitle, I always just make sure that I include like what it is that this ebook or digital product is going to be about, so they know more of what it is they're getting before even having to read my description of the digital product. So on the checkout page, you're literally going to hit another image. Again, you can use the same image that you use for your cover photo. You want to put the title here, and you want to allow AI to create your description. So what I like to do is just put my title, and AI will create a description for that specific title. And then you're going to set the price. And right here on 5, this is where you're going to upload that last digital product PDF file that you downloaded from Canva. And that's all, you guys. And you're going to hit publish. And now you have a digital product to sell on your stand store. And that is literally all you have to do, you guys. So if you do not have a stand store account already set up, stand store do allow you to get 14 days on a free trial. And after those 14 days, you will have to pay $29 a month. But if you want the pro version, so you're able to do upsells, email funnels, and all of those good things, it will cost you $99 a month. But you guys, you don't have to have the pro version getting started. You can literally get started with just using the $29 plan. This is literally how you can begin making money and generating your first 10K online without having to create your own ebook or your own course so that you can get started. When I tell you guys this is the best and easiest way to start your digital product business, this is going to save you so much time. It's going to save you so much energy. It's going to save you those headaches of just getting started. I can tell you guys from experience, the best thing you can do is just get started. Just launch the business. So that way, once you begin promoting these digital products, you can see what it is your audience like. You can see what it is they have questions about. And you can start collecting data from the people who you are targeting in your specific industry, so that once you do make your own ebook or your own course, you know what to put into it. So that way, once you make your own digital product, you will know what to put into it, but you will also look forward to getting sales without having to worry about if this is going to help your target audience or not. I can tell you guys, you want to just go ahead and get started with a PLR digital product, because you don't want to take too much time and energy trying to create something that may not be what your audience needs. So to start from just creating something that may not even sell, just start with a PLR digital product. Even if you don't start with my PLR digital products, find you one that you can start with so that you're able to start generating income, you guys. And when it comes to your PLR digital products, I do want to tell you guys this. When you start, you do not have to be someone who just talks about digital products. You can literally talk about anything. If you're into wealth, if you're into fitness, if you're into productivity, if you're into relationships, like no matter what it is that you are into, there is something for you to sell. So you can literally start with a PLR done for you digital product in your industry. Don't think just because you're buying a PLR digital product that means that it's not something created specifically for your business. If you have any questions about digital products, make sure you let me know down below so that I'm able to make more videos tailored to your specific questions. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here in my next video. Bye.